Hey guys, Aldin here, and this is my status update for the work week of August 5 to 9, 2024. So on the main site, last week we disavowed 147 toxic domains and 2 URLs from both SEMRush and the Google Search Console. So the total is now at 19,137 domains and 199 URLs in our disavow list. And as of yesterday, we already gathered 46 toxic links or domains on SEMrush. Then our 404 URLs on the Search Console is down a bit to just 697 as of yesterday's scroll. And I've processed only 6 new 404 URLs with no additional toxic links. Also, last week, I've been in contact with Mediavine support to inquire about the possibility of selling ad space on our site. So they said we can already do that using Mediavine Direct. So we don't worry about exclusivity clause on their terms. So the ads will be shown in rotation with Mediavine ad units. So they also provided additional links, which I will be reviewing this week. So the product is in beta. So Mediavine also provides us with a dedicated sales page. So it's very similar to their own sales page. So I already updated the page with the updated logo. So this is actually a checkout process. So I haven't had enough time to explore this yet. But yeah, it's something we can consider and explore to sell ads directly to brands programmatically without worrying about contract violations with Mediavine. Then on the Green Store, based on our discussion with Eric and James last week, I studied the viability of running ads for our networking gears first. However, I found that this may not be a good starting point for us given our budget constraint, since the keywords around the product has really high bid cost. So we don't want to burn through our budget in the initial phase of our campaigns. I also tried looking for long tail keywords on this, but around refurbished, used, secondhand, pre-owned key terms. However, the volume is too low as well, so we can't run ads on these keywords. So I think starting with the networking gears specifically for our search campaign will not be viable for now. However, after reviewing today, since we have relatively good Google Shopping presence for our networking gear, especially the Cisco Catalyst C9300. As you can see, if you search for the term, it can easily be found here. It's our product listing on Google Merchant. So it's already showing for US searches. So I'm thinking of pushing for the networking gears for our shopping ad campaigns instead. So I'll do that this week. Then for the MSI monitor, I found a few keywords that we can target for the ads. So yeah, we have really small or low cost here. So I'm thinking the budget of 50 USD per day. We can probably run search ad campaign with 3 ad groups for the MSI monitor with very low budget. Another one for refurbished Apple laptops, since we have 5 devices on our Apple page. And then another one for refurbished Windows laptops, since we have 7 with Windows 10, another 7 with Windows 11. So a total of 14 Windows devices. So yeah, I would need to restructure the setup for that and create a separate landing page for all the Windows devices. So I'll work on that this week. Then lastly, on the list generation for business recycling pickup, last week we have reached out to 50 new contacts for the top value companies, and with 100% delivery rate and average open rate of 36.67% and click rate of 6.22% of the opened emails. So yeah, that's it from my end. Let me know if you have any feedback or suggestions. Thank you.